Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to make your Facebook account private right from your iPhone. Your privacy matters, so let's jump into this step-by-step guide. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll find the 3 horizontal lines. That's your menu. Tap on it to open, and then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, you find Privacy Checkup. Tap on it to access various privacy-related options. Look for Your Activity and tap on Who Can See What You Share, and click Continue. Select your preferred option: Public, Friends, Only Me, or a custom setting. Now, under Limit Past Post, you can customize settings for who can post on your timeline. Now click Next. Explore the additional privacy settings available in this section. Take a moment to review options like blocking users and managing profile information. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, tap on Save Changes at the bottom to apply your new privacy settings. And there you have it. Your Facebook account is now private right from your iPhone.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.